You want to look flawless, you want to get rid of pimples, acne, you want to look everyday young, you want to get rid of blemishes, you want to unify your complexion, you want to glow and glow all the time. You just have to continue watching this video. Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make turmeric cream that will help to get rid of blemishes, help to unify your complexion. You want to glow your skin, this treatment will help you a lot. Alright, so in case you are new here, you have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. Alright, so you want to learn how to make this cream that will unify your complexion, that will glow your skin, that will get rid of blemishes, scars, dark marks and all that. Just keep watching. Yes, you surely need a clean bowl like this. This is for mixing. And you are going to need a container in case you want to store it. If you have a leftover, you can store it in this and be using it. This treatment I'll be making will last only for 1 week. You don't have to keep it more than 1 week. After 1 week, you trash it out and make a fresh batch. Alright? So the first ingredients we are going to need here is yogurt. So here is fresh yogurt. The goodness of lactic acid in yogurt works well as an exfoliator. This will help to clean your skin, like clear it out, get rid of all those bacteria, smoothing your skin. This will help to remove dead skin cells that makes your skin to be dull. And the result is a clearer and a smooth skin. So guys, yeah, we're going to use yogurt. As I said earlier, I'm going to make a small quantity because this remedy should not stay more than 1 week. Okay, 5 days, 7 days, then you trash it out. Alright, so here is 2 tablespoons of yogurt, a fresh yogurt, unsweetened yogurt, please. The next ingredient is turmeric. Yes, this is the major ingredient here, and we are not going to add it too much. Just a pinch of turmeric is all we need. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. It helps to provide glow and smoothness to the skin. It helps to keep bacteria from spreading, and thanks to its antiseptic properties, it's really helpful in case you have acne. It removes redness, blemishes, and cures eczema. You want to get rid of pimples and acne, you want to look younger, you want to get rid of blemishes, you have to use turmeric. I'm going to need just a pinch of it, little amount of turmeric, just like this. You just have to mix it. So after mixing it, guys, I'm going to transfer it into a container. So this, I'm going to use it for few days, then I'll trash it out and use another one. So this one, I will apply this on my face, then this, I will keep it in a cool dry place. I'm going to store it in the refrigerator. Even when you store it in the refrigerator, just make sure it didn't stay more than 1 week, okay? After 1 week, you trash it out and make another one. If you want to get a fresh face, you want to look younger, to have no acne, no pimples on your skin, you just have to use this treatment. Very, very important, very helpful. And with consistent use, you won't have those wrinkles, fine lines, even laugh lines. Gradually, those laugh lines will be off. You won't have them anymore. Alright, so this treatment should be applied 3 times weekly, and that is it. After a few days, you trash it out and make a new batch. Alright guys, so that is how to use this treatment in case you want to look more younger, you want to have a clearer skin, you want to have a smooth skin. In fact, the magic of turmeric is awesome. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. Alright, so guys, I will see you in my next video.